Alright, so I'm about to walk outside now. And once I walk outside, there'll be a black vulture right here waiting for me. And there it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set this food over here. Okay, here I come. I'm gonna set the food out for you, okay? I've just given you water. Either you're gonna eat it or not. I could set some Reese's here, I mean... I got potatoes. Oh yeah, it's gonna get better. I have some of this. Have fun. Oh yeah. What's spaghetti? I have spaghetti too. If you want to get some meat sauce. So I've got some water, you know, some yolk. Popcorn. Here we go.